It's been a long time since I last did a video, so I'm trying to get through some older footage from my Erasmus from, let's say, last year now, from my Erasmus 2023 in Italy. So this vlog is filled with a lot of painting, a lot of watercolor drawing actually, which I haven't shown that much in other vlogs, so that's great, right? For the first part, I just let you enjoy some of this painting. I mean, I sped it up for you so that doesn't get boring, but let me know if you want to see more of this. I mean, I paint every day, all day, so that's no problem for me. Enjoy! Yeah, you will join me to school. School in Brescia was also filled with painting. I enjoyed my Erasmus now. Looking back, I did enjoy it. Right after I came back, I was a bit salty and I have to say I got a bit depressed in Italy. Who would have thought? But that's okay. I'm feeling better now and I mean, I still don't regret having gone there. I loved it very much, but it felt a bit lonely at times. I was able to paint a lot and be just with myself, which is great, just a bit depressing, that's all. That's why I'm happy this year I'm back at my university where I've been, and I'm back with all my friends. It's great. There's a lot of really nice projects coming. I'm working on another video about my new year, where I paint a lot, where I sew a lot. I'm trying to change a bit the way I film these videos because I think maybe I've been trying to showcase things that are not that important. Maybe I'm trying too much to be like a vlogger, but I actually just want to share my passions, which is eating and painting. Yeah, I don't know, it's difficult. I want to be truthful, and I feel like it's true that my videos I wasn't having as much fun filming as I thought I was. So I wasn't that excited to edit the videos and post them, but I still want to get these videos out because looking back at them, they are amazing. Also, my roommates really saved my Erasmus. They were so great. I miss them. They were very sweet. This was amazing. We had a little day trip. Sirmione at the Lago di Garda. It's quite nice. It's about like 6 p.m. so the sun is good now. Yeah, I like it because there's a bit of clouds and they look really cute, and it gives a very peaceful side to everything. Almost looks like my paintings. It's all blue. That's how I felt in Italy. I felt blue, which is not that bad. I mean, there's worse. I mean, besides my roommates, I feel like I didn't really connect to anyone except for maybe one or two people, but I haven't connected to any Italians. Yeah, but that's okay, that's okay. sometimes the journey is not about the friends you make along the way, but about being by yourself and thinking about what's important. Yeah, these are some clips from my trip to Milan, where I also got my hair cut in the Asia town, Chinatown from Milan. Oh, actually, I don't have anything to tell you guys. This is really just to get out there, relax, have a little look back at what I did. Now I'm quite nostalgic, but at the time I felt not so great. But no, I'm happy. It was nice. I won't be going back to Italy so fast. Yeah, now I'm looking for where to do my master, and I'm thinking of maybe going to Germany or France or staying in Belgium. I'll see. Also, every time it rained, I was so happy. It really reminded me of Belgium, and people were like not understanding that.